New Year's, new edition, new wave. Salute to detailing. Yes, salute for all the rims I've scrubbed, upholstery I steamed, vomit I removed, gum I lifted, crayons I've absorbed, miles I've put in, states I've visited, vehicle repairs done, equipment that added to the Smarter Not Harder campaign. Man, I could go on forever. But salute to my journey. Yeah, salute to my journey. It's been good. Looking forward to many more rims, paint correction, homes, sidewalks, planes and things, and automobiles. You get the point. Doing things now in life. No other job could have helped me maintain what I have now. Plane trips, vacations that would have broken my pockets, time off that would have gotten me fired, money spent that I know I can get back in a day, sometimes at an appointment. All in due time, I told myself. I'm just getting started. The saga continues. Yeah, I plan things out, but still, you get surprised and excited as goals get met and I execute big jobs that I've done before, but still get the same feeling. I'm just saying, the lifestyle I've chosen I can afford now. Even when kids pop into the picture, I'll be just fine. All off scrubbing rims. Oh yeah, and pet hair.
Word up, you know? I rose dolo from state to state. Ha ha. Word up, you know?
As for this year, 2019, I'm locked in. Nothing new to do but refine my art, stay consistent, and increase my network and knock off some more goals. You see, Sporties is now at the point where my business needs to fuel my future endeavors. I'm pushing 40, still looking good, and I feel I've made it through that threshold we've all heard about. Me, myself, I'm 10 years in, 8 professional. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. No worries over here. I don't know the formula, but I'm on it though. I also been peeping detailers DMing me their detailing arsenal editions. I see all y'all out copying the equipment I mentioned and joining the Smarter Not Harder campaign. Salute. And some of y'all just way ahead of others with the experience and equipment already. This ain't nothing new to y'all. Salute to you as well. anyone came up with the short shop formula of how to clean an interior. Oh, it's 101 different ways and techniques, but one won't work for every vehicle. We already know that. With that said, in time, your job is to learn the limits of each vehicle, even better, knowing what the vehicle is used for, the owner's profession, at times to be specific. My approach is a little unorthodox. I make a mess first, but it works for me. Can't forget the unrealistic expectations. Must be mentioned in advance. Just that one phrase could be the reason you have a surprised and upset customer in the end, or an understanding customer in the beginning. So you can feel comfortable proceeding and not having to deliver, let's say it together, unrealistic expectations. This goes for vehicle exteriors as well. Get in where you fit in. Absolutely nothing has changed. We all got different lanes we're actually in, want to be in, or trying to get out of. Crazy, right? Follow me. Some want to be incredible exterior specialists, but may get a majority of interior clientele. In my early years, I wanted my own clients. I had to get down with the Groupon Living Social Amazon local contractor scene and offer a package similar to others, so I get myself in the neighborhoods, office buildings, and cities, so I could soon add to my own little established clientele that has done nothing but create a domino effect year after year for me, where I was able to wean myself off and maintain on my own and then choose my focus. When I became clientele loaded weekly, my equipment got right, my van got bigger, rounds under my belt, and confidence to go with it. The prices shot up and the real ones stayed, and the new clientele accepted the new prices and filled the slots of the old. The balance scale is still quality over quantity. With my experience, some levels up, all in time. Then the house has snuck up on me, my first love. Had to transition, so I purchased the equipment and had the homes and driveways lined up to get all my money back. I made these moves with the confidence knowing I could invest and get my returns immediately. Just know what direction you're going in and maneuver accordingly. Stick with some things. Consistency is the best. Indeed. Get those new tools. Make sure they pertain to the campaign. And if it works, don't change up. Rock out forever. Get used to what works and become cost efficient in your daily, weekly, monthly spending. I'm on top of every dollar, as you should be. You're not interested in wasting money. Been doing this for a while, kinda know what works. Or if it's going to work, gotta do your due diligence for the long run, of course. Detail season is going to be here before you know it. Anything I can receive now, I'm of course thankful for, since the weather's all over the place, but during any downtime, I'm chilling like a fat rat. I go hard so I can enjoy myself during my off season, hit the weights, chill with the whiz, poly about business with her, my other half, prepare for the upcoming season, visit friends and family, mentally relax, and pretty much do whatever I want until the season rolls back around and I gotta get back into full-time game time mode, first string, maintain pole position in my own world, worried about the man in the mirror and my road to success, tunnel vision. Just a few clips from the trip. Cali was good. Cali was real good. But Jersey has made me a beast to the point I know I can make it anywhere on God's green earth. Me and my whiz both enjoyed our long-awaited trip and time with an incredible friend and new family. My life network continues to grow and I don't see nothing but good things happening all around for another consecutive year. Salute to Camden, New Jersey. Hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit up that Facebook New Wave group and speak your piece. Salute.